Just in case you're watching million videos to understand how to manifest and how to use the law of assumption, then you need to stop right now, because this video is going to teach you every viral manifestation technique that is out there and how to exactly use it. Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotsna, and today we're going to talk about all the viral manifestation techniques that are out there using the law of assumption, and you will know exactly how to use every manifestation technique and which one works the best for you. Every method that I'm discussing is based on the law of assumption and not the law of attraction. They're both different laws, so don't get confused. In case you want to know the difference between both of them, I've done a few videos on law of assumption and what exactly it is and how is it different from law of attraction, so you can watch those videos. In today's video, I'm going to talk only about the viral manifestation techniques that have worked for millions of people, and these are the ones that have the highest success rate and also the ones that have seen massive overnight results. I'm going to break it down to you one by one, so let's get started. First one is a visualization method. So if you are a visual thinker or someone who can imagine better or have subconsciously better thoughts, good and positive thoughts, because you see something visually, then these are the methods that are going to work the best for you. So the first one is the vision board method. This is super viral. I have seen multiple pictures, videos of people planning out their vision board. Either you cut out pictures from Pinterest that you get and you make it and create a board, or you can just randomly get some pictures and make even a Canva or a digital copy of it and just have it every single day somewhere, maybe on your wall of the house or maybe in your planner, because that's what I did. I made my vision board in my planner, so every time I open my planner, I can see all the images and the pictures of the exact life that I really want. So your vision board is basically your manifestations in the form of images. You're just going to put pictures of each wish or each desire you have and just go through it, imagine, feel as if you already have them, because that is the most important part. It is not all about just glancing at your vision board and forgetting about it. It is all about looking at every image and feeling as if it is already in your life right now, like it is already real, and that is a true assumption or a true fact about you. And saturate your subconscious mind like that is already your reality and it is already here. The second visualization method is the mind movie, thanks to Dr. Joe Dispenza. He's the one who kind of created and spoke about this in one of his books. So mind movie is where you make a 1 minute video. I wouldn't recommend having a very long video, but just 1 minute video of maybe a collection of images or a collection of videos of all your desires, and make sure that you also have a voice note or an audio along with the pictures or the videos that are coming up. So for example, you have basically photoshopped yourself with a big house, so you can say something like, I am a proud owner of a 5-bedroom house that I have purchased, or I am a proud owner of a blue Tesla car, and then have an image of the blue Tesla car. Whatever your desire is, you basically have images of it and also statements that you repeat in the background of that image, like a voice note. Or you can also have like strong manifestation music, but I would say, and I would recommend, even if you're a visual person and images is enough, having your own voice in that video just adds and personalizes the video in a different manner. So of course it's going to be more effective and more powerful, and every day watching a 1 minute video like that can inspire you so much to take aligned action towards it. So yeah, mind movie is super easy because you just create the video once and you just have to watch it every single day. It won't be more than a minute, and just 1 or 2 minutes of complete focus and imagination towards all the goals that you have will just get you 2 steps forward in terms of saturating your subconscious mind and also making your subconscious mind work towards your desires. Okay, the next technique is one of my favorite techniques, which is the scripting method. I also have a step-by-step detailed scripting video. If you do want to see, I've made one in my channel. I will link it down below in the description box so you can check it out. So scripting is basically you writing down. So if you are someone who is not really a visual thinker but someone who loves writing down things, maybe you have always had the habit of writing in a diary or in a journal, or maybe you have this, a childhood habit of whenever you're upset, you're happy, you're sad, you have good news, sad news, you just love, writing down or documenting it in a notebook or in a diary, then this is the perfect method for you. As a person who has always had a diary from the time I was a child, this is a method that has just worked like crazy. Like, I have seen miracles happen overnight with this method. And there are two different techniques in the scripting method. The first one is a diary entry method. So this is where you will write down an entire maybe 1 or 2 pages of how your life is in detail, with like specific details, whatever, how your life is going to be or what you really want to manifest or desire, as if it has already happened. So you write it down as a diary journal, and you just basically thank God, or just say, dear diary, I am so happy now that I just bought my blue Tesla car, and I am now a proud owner of a 5-bedroom villa, and I can't believe it. We just signed the papers, we just took our car, and it is so exciting. My family is so happy for me, and everyone is so proud of me. Giving you an example, but you will write down the diary entry as if your desire or your wish is already fulfilled. Once you write down the diary entry, it is done. Assume it is already your reality, or assume it has already happened in your life, and just let it go. Second method is to do it on a repetitive basis. So this is where you take one statement or one affirmation and you write it on a repeated basis, maybe 50 or 60 times in your notebook. Your affirmation is something like, I earn $10,000 per month. Then you're going to write down that statement on top saying, I earn $10,000 per month. Or I am now earning $10,000 per month, and you will write it like 50 times. I am earning $10,000 per month. I am earning $10,000 per month. So basically, this will brainwash your subconscious mind to believe that you are now as valuable as earning $10,000 per month. So let's just say your current salary is $3,000 per month, but you are writing down the statement saying you are now earning $10,000. So this will brainwash your subconscious mind to think that your value has increased, and you have unlocked a new level where you're now earning 10,000. Like, that is your new reality. In short, your subconscious mind is your best friend, and the more you saturate and brainwash it to believe that you're way more valuable or you deserve a bigger or a better salary, the faster you will see evidence of it happening. But robotic affirmations, on the other hand, is basically you speaking out those affirmations instead of writing it, or listening to them on a repeated basis, or telling yourself in your mind on a repeated basis. So if you haven't already watched my previous video where I explain how I do my robotic affirmations, then you need to go and watch that video. So it explains the robotic affirmation step by step, and I am just enjoying this method the most right now. Currently, I think I've manifested multiple random different things using the robotic affirmations. I manifested getting clear skin in just 3 days. I manifested getting an amount of money that I wanted in maybe like a week. I manifested getting this coffee machine that I really wanted. I just affirmed about it for 2 days repeatedly, and I think the third or the fourth day there was a scenario where it was in a deal and I could just pay half the price, and I immediately ordered it. So I have manifested like random gifts to me, surprises to me, an outcome that I wanted immediately in a day or two using robotic affirmations. Other method, if you are a great listener and you want a technique that is related to listening, then it is basically using your robotic affirmations, making it putting it in a loop of maybe 1 hour or 2 hours, and then just listening to it randomly when you are doing monotonous tasks. And you can have like a 1 hour loop or a 2 hour loop of it, and just make sure that you save this voice note in your phone so that it's accessible to you. Last method I want to talk about is from this book, which is The Power Is Within You by Louise Hay. Louise Hay, if you didn't already know, is extremely famous at talking about manifestation, affirmations, and self-love practices. This book is amazing because it has multiple chapters on inner child healing, on affirmations, how to use affirmations that help in your favor. And Louise Hay talks a lot about the power of affirmations, and how even generic affirmations like I am safe, I am happy, I am healthy can have profound results. This book also comes with a chapter that says how to love yourself, and this has a lot of techniques on self-love, like how can you love yourself more, because at the end of the day, manifestation, no matter what you say, is a mindset game. It is not a magical trick. It is not something that just magically happens. Manifestation is a self-development practice. It is a self-development habit that you just have to develop on a daily basis if you really want to see results. And manifestation is nothing without cultivating self-love for yourself. The more you love yourself, the faster and stronger you will see your manifestations happen. Along with the manifestation practice, whether it's the visualization technique you're using or the robotic affirmations, anything that you're using, make sure that you also include a self-love practice. Self-love practice can be anything. It can also be like writing letters to yourself, thanking yourself, or doing the mirror work, which is basically standing in front of the mirror and talking to yourself. Any self-love technique like that works wonders, because the more you love yourself, the faster your manifestations are going to come. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. That was it. If you have any questions related to all the techniques I've discussed, then you can leave it down in the comment box and I will be happy to answer it. So yeah, that was it. I will see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.